Hello guys, today we will learn how to integrate MongoDB with Google Sheets using Appy Pie Connect. This Connect will help you automate data exchange between MongoDB and Google Sheets with ease. We begin this process by logging into the Appy Pie Connect account. The first step is to choose your trigger. Since MongoDB is our main source of data, it will act as the trigger for this automation. Search and choose MongoDB as the trigger app. For the trigger event, choose New Document. The trigger event will initiate a data exchange with Google Sheets whenever a new data field will be added to your Connect MongoDB database. Click on Continue. Now connect your MongoDB account by clicking on the Connect Another Account option. Simply copy and paste your SRV URL to allow Connect to access your database. You can leave the other spaces blank. If you don't have an SRV URL, remember that there are multiple ways to connect your MongoDB account. You can use the host URL, the port address, or your username and password. Once you enter the necessary information, click on Yes to continue. When your account has been connected, click on Continue. In the next step, we will set up your MongoDB connection by specifying the database you want to integrate. Simply select the database of your choice from the drop-down menu. Next, select the collection that you want to integrate and click on Continue. Your trigger is ready. You must now move on to setting up your action and action event. We begin by selecting the Action app, search and choose Google Sheets. Choose the action event of your choice. For this integration, we will choose Create Spreadsheet Row. This action event will automatically update your Connect Google Sheet whenever your MongoDB database collection is edited. Click on Continue and select the Google account that contains the Google Sheet that you want to integrate. If you want to add a Google account, click on Connect Another Account. Log into the necessary Google account and allow Appy Pie Connect the required access to Drive and Sheets. Click on Continue. Select the Google Sheet that needs to be updated from the Spreadsheet drop-down. Next, specify the worksheet you want to integrate. This worksheet will be taken from the MongoDB database. Finally, map your database fields as required. Select the specified Google Sheets fields from the drop-down menu when you want the data to be updated. If you leave the fields blank, data for the particular row column won't be automatically updated. Once you have mapped out your database, click on Continue. Finally, run and test this integration. Once the test runs successfully, name your integration and activate it. There you have it, your integration workflow is active. The next few seconds of the video shows how it works. When you add new data to your integrated MongoDB sheet, it automatically gets updated in Google Sheets after a few minutes.